Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on GoWish. So let's dive into the video without further ado. Start off by launching open your GoWish application. After you load it up, you will end up in the main homepage. Also make sure to sign in to your GoWish account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, go and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Now, in the expanded menu, tap on the account tab from the list. This will then show you your profile. Scroll down and find this language option and simply tap on the drop down. From the list, you can select any one languages you'd like to change to, and soon after you give it a click, tap on the save button and you will be able to see your language change. So that is how you can easily change your display language on GoWish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.